Many OEMs today believe that once the development and manufacturing outsourced to an ODM, the risk is also outsourced. In reality, that's only partially true. Execution risk may move outside, but outcome risk never does. When a project slips, when a quality issue appears, when a season is missed, the market does not ask the ODM. The brand is questioned. What usually goes wrong is not effort. It is loss of control without visibility. Designs are approved conceptually, but engineering intent is not fully frozen. Changes continue informally. Assumptions remain undocumented. Everyone believes they are aligned until the first trial exposes the gaps. At that point, OEMs realize that they are dependent but no longer in control. Over the last 30 years, across multiple product development programs, we have seen that the outsourcing works only when governance replaces the involvement. Control does not come from micromanagement. It comes from clear decision checkpoints, documented engineering intent, and clear early visibility into risk. OEMs that build this structure don't interfere in execution, yet remain fully in control of outcomes. That is the difference between outsourcing work and outsourcing responsibility. Across multiple OEM programs, we have seen this pattern repeat. Outsourcing works only when engineering decisions are governed, not when they are assumed.